All right, let's run an actual meta-analysis calculation using HubMeta. So I'll go into analysis. I will start with bivariate meta-analysis and make these selections. As I said, you can set these filter sets in data entry and the list of filters. Just give them a name and save. And here I will have to pick just two variables, one on this side. Let's call it a independent variable and one dependent variable from this side. And let's run this. This is just one meta-analysis between two variables. Here are results. These are the number of correlations, the aggregate sample size. This is my mean effect size when it is adjusted for reliability. This is when it is not adjusted for reliability. My confidence interval, credibility interval, and everything else that I need, and many things that I don't need. And down here, I can see all the pairs that have made this, and I can use this to handle my outliers, which I will explain in a later video, show you these options you have in running your analysis. This determines the significance level for your confidence intervals. I usually set it at 95%. And for credibility intervals, I usually like to set it a little bit lower at 80%. It's completely up to you. And down here is the threshold for detecting something as an outlier, which I will explain fully in the outlier analysis video. Let's now see how bivariate meta-analysis table looks. I'll choose the same options as before, but this time, instead of just one variable, I have to pick a few. Let's choose a few independent variables and a few dependent variables on this side. And click on next. This time it's not just one meta-analysis, it's creating a pair based on the selected variables, and for each pair it's running a separate meta-analysis. So in this case, it might be doing like 20 or 30 different meta-analysis, so it takes a little bit more time. And this is the table. As you can see, each row in this table contains one of the pairs that I had selected, and here are all the results I want. This will end up in your paper as something like this. You have more than you actually want to report here, but you choose what to report based on your preference. What I like to do is to export it as a CSV file and then edit it in Excel. So that's how it looks. This is my output, and you can basically move things around. You can delete some of the columns. You have to delete many of these columns because there is no way you need all of these numbers, but we have just calculated them just in case you need to take a look.